Chinese, ICBM. The Dong Feng 5, simplified Chinese, Dong Feng 5, traditional Chinese, Dong Feng 5, pinyin, Dong Fengwu, literal translation, East Wind 5, or DF-5, CSS-4, is a second-generation two-stage Chinese intercontinental ballistic missile, ICBM. The DF-5 was designed under the leadership of Tu Shouyi at the China Academy of Launch Technology, CLT. Li Sui served as deputy chief designer. The missile was produced at China's Factory 211, Capital Astronautics Company, also known as the Capital Machine Factory. The DF-5 is a two-stage, liquid-fueled intercontinental ballistic missile, 32.6 meters long and 3.35 meters in diameter. The first stage length is 20.5 meters, the second, 7.6 meters, and the warhead and reentry section is 4.5 meters long. The missile has a launch weight of 183,000 kilograms. The Stabilized Inertial Guidance System, INS, has an onboard computer and operates gimbaled engines for control. The first stage motor consists of a cluster of 4 YF-20 engines, which use storable liquids, unsymmetrical dimethylhydrazine, UDMH, and nitrogen tetroxide, NTO, and provide a total thrust of 280 tons. The second stage consists of a single YF-22 engine giving 70 tons of thrust and a cluster of 4 small vernier engines gimbaled for guidance, each producing just over 1 ton in thrust. The DF-5 has a payload of 3,000 kilograms, which would be adequate for it to carry any of the nuclear warheads that have been tested by the People's Republic of China, PRC. The nuclear warhead is believed to have a yield of between 1 and 3 megatons. Chaff and lightweight exoatmospheric decoys are also carried in the payload, with the payload assembly separating from the second stage after burnout of the engine. DF-5 is believed to have a minimum range of 3,500 kilometers and a maximum range of 12,000 kilometers. The accuracy is estimated at 800 meters circular error probable, CEP. The first Academy are reported to have developed chaff and lightweight exoatmospheric decoys for the DF-5 missile and have started a multiple independently targeted reentry vehicle, MCAR-V, program in 1970. The MCAR-V program was delayed by lack of progress on small nuclear warheads, and DF-5 entered service with a single large nuclear warhead in 1981. The MCAR-V project was restarted in 1983, but flight tests on DF-3 missiles in 1985 were unsuccessful, and it is believed that no MIRV capability exists on DF-5 missiles. An improved version, known as DF-5A, is reported to have been developed and deployed in 1986, having better reliability and improved accuracy. DF-5A has a payload increase to 3,200 kilograms and a range increase to 13,000 kilometers. An unconfirmed report from the USA in 1999 suggested that some DF-5A missiles may have been fitted with 4 or 6 MIRV warheads from the DF-31JL2 program, with yields in the 150 to 350 kilotons range. The Chinese carried out 7 tests between 1966 and 1983 with 150 to 350 kilotons yield nuclear warheads, and these could have been developed small enough to fit the DF-5A payload bay. It is estimated that the accuracy of DF-5A is 500 meters CP. The civil version of this missile, used for space launch applications, is called the LM-2C, which has the alternative Chinese designation CZ-2C. The LM, Long March, designation is often seen as CZ, Chang Zheng. This launcher CZ-2C appears to be the workhorse of the Chinese satellite program, and there have been further development programs resulting in the LM-2D, LM-2E, LM-3, and LM-4 satellite launch vehicles.